Hello everyone, welcomes you all again on the YouTube channel of Chameli Devi Institute of Pharmacy, Indore. So, in this session, we will going to discuss about job specification of hospital pharmacy. Before moving ahead, these are the contents of this session. So, first of all, what are the responsibilities of the hospital pharmacist and their salary criteria, their qualification criteria, skills of hospital pharmacist, as well as their career perspectives. Hospital pharmacists are responsible for the purchase and supply of medicines used in hospitals. So, as a hospital pharmacist, you will be an expert in the field of medicines, understanding how they are used and what their effects are on the human body. As well as dispensing prescriptions, you will be involved in the purchasing and quality testing of medicines. You may also manufacture medicines, as in some cases treatments needs to be tailor-made for individual patients. You will work closely with medical and nursing staff to make sure hospital patients receive the best treatment, advising on the selection, dose, and type of administration. You will also provide help and advice to patients in all aspects of their medicines. While most of the hospital pharmacists are based within national health services or private hospitals, the role can be extended beyond these with responsibilities for medicines in health centers, nursing homes, hospices, and general practitioners' surgeries. So these all are the responsibilities of hospital pharmacist, which is hospital pharmacist check prescriptions for errors, ensuring they are appropriate and safe for the individual patient. They provide advice on the doses of medicines and the most appropriate form of medication, which could be by tablet, injection, ointment, or inhaler. They maintain bridge with the medical staff on problem with patients' experience with making or taking their medicines. They discuss treatment with patients, relatives, community pharmacists. They will make sure medicines are stored in appropriately and securely. They supervise the work of less experienced and less qualified staff. Hospital pharmacists answer questions about medicines from within the hospital, other hospital, as well as general public. They will write guidelines for drug use within the hospitals and implement hospital regulations. They keep up to date with and contribute to research and development. They provide information on expenditure of drugs. They will prepare and quality check sterile medications, for examples like intravenous medications. They set up and supervise clinical trials, and they carry out teaching within the pharmacy department and in other areas of the hospitals. This would be once you have gained substantial experience. What is the salary criteria for hospital pharmacist? So, the National Health Services pays most employees under a pay scale system that matches their ability and responsibilities, and they termed it as a bands. So, within the NSH or National Health System, National Health Service agenda for change pay structure has clearly defined pay band. Newly qualified pharmacists start on band 6, where salaries range from 31,000 to 37,000. With further studies and training, it's possible to progress to band 7, where salaries are set as 38,000 up to 44,000. Roles at senior level includes advanced pharmacist, consult pharmacist, team manager and professional manager of pharmaceutical services. Salary ranges from 45,000 to 87,000. Comes under the band 8A to 8D. It is depending on their knowledge, training and experience. As the most senior manager of pharmaceutical services, they could earn between 91,000 to 1 lakh. It comes under band 9. Salaries within private hospitals may be set at different levels. If we are talking about working hours of hospital pharmacists, then under National Health Services, they typically work about 37.5 hours in a week. It will include weekends and some extra hours may be required. Flexible working arrangements, part-time work and job sharing are possible. Career breaks may be possible within the NHS. As a hospital pharmacist, what to expect? So, you will work in the dispensary and on the wards with regular patient contact on a daily basis. You may work in laboratories and small sterile rooms called clean rooms. Much of the work involves dealing directly with chemicals and medicines. Many hospitals offer accommodation for pre-registration students. Jobs are available in most towns and cities but seldom in rural areas. Travel within a working days and overseas work are uncommon in between hospital pharmacists. What would be the qualification criteria for hospital pharmacist? So, to qualify as a hospital pharmacist, you will need to successfully complete a master degree in pharmacy, which is MPharm, which is accredited by the General Pharmaceutical Council. This is GPSC. Complete 1 year pre-registration training in a hospital pharmacy, during which time you will demonstrate competency and in a number of areas and produce a portfolio as further evidence of your learning. Pass a General Pharmaceutical Council registration assessment. So this is the criteria for the qualification of hospital pharmacist. What kind of skills hospital pharmacists should have? So they should have excellent communication skill for dealing with patient and health professionals, the ability to work carefully, methodically and accurately with medicines and doses. This is vital as mistakes could prove fatal. The ability to use scientific knowledge to solve problems, as well as IT skills for recording informations. They should have interpretation skill and a caring and sympathetic manner, as the work involves contact with patients on the wards and in outpatient departments. They will responsible attitude to work. They should have teamwork skills, general clinical awareness, and effective management and leadership skills. So, You will need to these if you have supervisory responsibilities. What kind of works experience you should have? So try to get experience either in a setting where you work with the public or in a local pharmacy. That will give you exposure to working with prescriptions and drugs. Any knowledge and experience of the profession will be helpful. You should also consider becoming a student member of the Royal Pharmaceutical Society. So this provides access to resources, networking opportunities, and support throughout your studies. What are the career prospects of hospital pharmacist? So, if you work in the NHS, you will follow a structured career path with opportunities to studies for clinical and management qualifications, often supported by the employee's trust. As a newly qualified pharmacist, you will typically rotate between different pharmacy services offered by your hospital. These may include aseptic and technical services, clinical pharmacy, clinical trials, community pharmacy services, dispensary services, medicines information or management, primary care, and radio pharmacy, which is the use of radioactive materials. Following 2 or 3 years experience, you may apply for a more senior Band 7 pharmacist position. This is usually a rotational role but with more emphasis on specializing in a chosen area of pharmacy practices, for example, cardiology, hematology, medicine information, pediatric care, procurement and distribution, quality assurance, radiopharmacy. There are opportunities to further progress to the role of supplementary or independent prescriber or to hospital pharmacy consultant. There are fewer positions available in these roles, however, and it may be necessary to relocate in order to progress. You may also take on a role as a tutor by lecturing pre-registration trainings, delivering presentations to other medical staff or providing tutorials support to undergraduate pharmacy students. Thank you everyone for watching this session.